Alright, I picked out 3 cars to crack. Let's get right into them. Hey, what's going on YouTube? I was back at cleaning my wall up here, and I wanted to get all these cars that are doubled up and tripled up, you know, in their own place on the wall. And I was looking across and I have a nice row blank up top, and between putting a couple there, finishing off my row here, bringing it across here, putting in 2 more here and 2 more above the top, I have room for like 23, 24 cars. And out of all the ones that are doubled up and tripled up, I have about 27, so that leaves, you know, 3 or 4 that need to be cracked. And I think I know which ones those are, so let's grab those off and bust them open. And here we have the pile of cars. Sorry, I'm in the light. These are all the cars that are going to be given their own space on the wall finally. And everything is now flat against the wall and looks so much better. Alright, I picked out 3 cars to crack. Let's get right into them. First one we're going to crack is this 56 Chevy convertible sent over by Drifter D. And my lighting is pretty bad. Hopefully I can lighten this up in editing. But there it is. 56 Chevy convertible, 2017 collector's edition. Freed from its blister. And next up is School Busted. Hot Wheels, Larry's Garage. Man, that is a pretty piece. Real Rider tires. It's so heavy too, it's ridiculous. And just this beautiful plum purple all around. And I saved the best for last from the Hot Wheels Cool Classics, the Honda S2000. In this really tripped out kind of anti-freeze Spectra Frost. I've been staring at this on my wall for a long time, and the only reason I didn't open it is because it's the only example I have of a Cool Classic, so I was kind of keeping it just for the card, but when I got this, all I wanted to do was open it up. That feels good to have it out of its package finally. I'm glad I finally broke down and did it. Plastic tires, but it's got metal base, metal body, really nice graphics going all the way around. When it comes to JDM, this is one of my absolute favorites right here. I just love the shape of this car. Alright, well there we go. 3 more awesome cars to add to my loose collection. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Stop summer.